Are you searching for the best cycling computer? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best cycling computers in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1. iGPSPORT Wireless Bicycle Computer. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. iGPSPORT BSC300 Bicycle Computer. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. CYCPLUS M1 GPS Bicycle Computer. CYCPLUS M1 GPS Bicycle Computer Cycling Speedometer Bluetooth 5.0 Anti-cyclismo Speed Meter for Garmin Zwift Bike Accessories. 2.9-inch Super Big ANST Screen. Automatically light the backlight. Switzerland Ublox chip. Faster positioning and accuracy track record. Anti-peripheral supported. Heart rate monitor. Cadence sensor. Power meter. Real-time data showing max/current/average speed. Cadence. Heart rate, power gradient, time, distance, ascent, ODO, altitude, temperature, support app data analysis and sync to Strava, 1100 mAh rechargeable battery, 30 hours super long endurance, built-in barometer, thermometer, IPX6 waterproof. With 16 internal memory, CYCPLUS M1 save about 150 hours cycling data. It supports BLE 5.0 and can quickly synchronize data to mobile phone. Sync time for reference. About 10.35 kb/s or 45s for 100 km, iOS, about 8.37 kb/s or 50s/s for 100 km, Android. This test includes cadence, speed, and heart rate sensor data. It supports automatic power off and automatic pause.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. iGPSPORT BSC300 BSC300 Bike GPS Computer. GPS accuracy. The iGPSPORT BSC300 offers precise GPS tracking, ensuring accurate data on your rides, including distance, speed, and route. Display. It features a clear, easy-to-read screen that shows multiple data fields, allowing cyclists to monitor their performance in real time. Battery life. The device boasts a long battery life, making it suitable for extended rides without the need for frequent recharging. Data synchronization. The BSC300 supports data synchronization with various cycling apps and platforms, enabling riders to analyze their performance and share their rides. Durability. Built to withstand different weather conditions. The BSC300 is both waterproof and durable, ensuring it can handle the rigors of outdoor cycling. User interface. The GPS computer has an intuitive user interface, making it easy to set up and use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Connectivity. It offers connectivity features such as Bluetooth and ANT, allowing it to pair with sensors like heart rate monitors and cadence sensors. These points highlight the key features and benefits of the iGPSPORT BSC300, making it a valuable tool for cyclists looking to enhance their riding experience. Number 5. Zas G G2 G Plus 2 Bike Computer. The Zas G G2 G Plus 2 Bike Computer is a versatile and reliable tool for cyclists, offering a comprehensive set of features to enhance the riding experience. This bike computer is equipped with high-precision GPS technology, ensuring accurate tracking of distance, speed, and route. Its clear, high-contrast display allows cyclists to easily monitor multiple data fields in real time, even in bright sunlight. The Zas G G2 boasts impressive battery life, making it ideal for long rides without the need for frequent recharging. With seamless data synchronization capabilities, it supports integration with popular cycling apps and platforms, enabling detailed performance analysis and ride sharing. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, the device is both waterproof and durable, ensuring it remains functional in various environments. Additionally, the Zas G G2 features user-friendly connectivity options like Bluetooth and ANT, allowing it to pair effortlessly with external sensors such as heart rate monitors and cadence sensors. Overall, the Zas G G2G Plus 2 bike computer is a robust and user-friendly choice for cyclists seeking to improve their performance and track their progress accurately.